tail titty time. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are gonna install this tail titty. But first things first, we gotta get the AMG out of the garage because my garage is way too small and I have to rent another garage just to put my bikes in there. So like, subscribe and watch as many videos as you can so I can afford a bigger garage. And before I forget, I also ordered this steel cover in carbon fiber. And the KTM paddock stand is also on its way. And then we remove this one. And if there is one thing I really can't stand is you gotta push this one and pull it, and with short nails this hurts like a... This is gonna turn out really good. Look at that. Look at how sexy that's gonna be. Oh yeah. And it's not the first time I've lost a license plate on a two-cylinder engine, two-cylinder motorcycle, so I'm gonna use a little bit of tread locker. Nice. Why the hell did they add these? Like they're just ugly from the side. I don't get it. I just don't get it. I don't get it. Just so you guys can see the difference. Before. After. And now a very important one. Before you get the blinking lights out, remember that the green one is the right side and the gray one is the left side. Now write this down, because if you forget and you turn them around, that's not gonna be good. I did a little boo-boo, so before you tighten these up, make sure you get the wires all the way through, or else you can't reach them anymore. And before you tighten everything up, make sure these work. And we went from this pie scoop to that. Now that is what I like. So guys, that's the end of this video. So I turned this pie scoop into this sexy little RNG tail titty. Now I did order the Evotech tail titty at first, but they had stock problems and I got my money refunded. So most likely they have their tail titties made in China. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and see you next time. Peace, ride safe.